Now, there are just a few final steps we need to complete to make sure your funnel and email sequence work exactly as they should. First, you'll need to replace my affiliate links with yours, both on the sales page and inside the email sequence. That way, you get full credit for every sale that comes through your funnel. Once you've been approved as an affiliate for each program, simply grab your unique affiliate links and update them in your funnel. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Start by opening your sales funnel and clicking on the individual sales page you want to edit on the left-hand side. Then, on the right-hand side, click Edit Page. Once you're inside the editor, click the pop-ups button near the top left. Then select the red button that appears inside the pop-up window. Now, there are 3 important settings here that you don't want to miss. Action when button is clicked. Set this to Submit Form. Redirect users after contact registration. Make sure this is set to a custom URL. Redirection URL. This is where you'll paste your affiliate link from Legendary Marketer once you've been approved. When you've set all of that up, anyone who clicks your button and makes a purchase through your page will now earn you the commission. Next, we need to update your email campaign with your affiliate links and make sure your emails are activated. To do this, hover your mouse over Emails at the top of the page and click Campaigns. Then, open the campaign you just imported. Click into each individual email one by one and replace my affiliate links with your own. Once you're approved for all of the affiliate programs we talked about in Day 2, you'll have all your links ready to go. Just insert them into the emails I've provided. When you're done, activate each email so your sequence runs automatically. To do that, hover over the 3 dots on the right-hand side and click Activate. Do this for every email in your campaign, and that's it. You're all set. From now on, whenever new leads enter your funnel, your autoresponder will automatically follow up with them using your emails and your affiliate links. That means if someone makes a purchase, you'll earn the commission, all on autopilot. If you get stuck or need a refresher, feel free to rewatch this video as many times as you need. I recommend pausing it and following along step by step inside your own account. Take your time and feel free to reach out with any questions. I'll see you in the next video.